Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the charging sound in this device. So for this here I am going to charge this device, then you can hear the sound. So let me put a charger. You can hear the sound, right? So let me show you how to disable this one. Simply go to settings, tap on sounds and vibration, tap on system sound. Here you can see the option charging sound. Just disable this option. Now the charging sound is disabled in this device. If you put the charger again, you can see this charging, but there is no sound. Now I am going to enable this one. Put the charger again. You can hear the sound, right? So simply in this way you can enable or disable the charging sound in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.